Cough and catarrh is very common in babies. Most times they even get it as often as 8 times in 1 year, and this does not make you a bad parent. It is common and it happens because their immune system is not so strong. They are still developing and they are not able to fight this rhinovirus that causes viral infection. If your baby is less than 3 months with cold and catarrh, please go to the hospital. Remember, not all cold is pneumonia, and this is why it is not advisable to just use antibiotics simply because your child has a runny nose.